Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I want to talk about the dividends I received this quarter in my Robinhood portfolio. That's Q1 of 2020. Dividends are a great source of passive income just for being a shareholder of the dividend paying stocks. So going to my history, filtered by dividends. First one is iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, $13.78. Next is PepsiCo, $19.10. Schwab Large Cap ETF. This tracks the S&P 500, $55.48. Next is Home Depot, $27. United Health, $19.44. Nvidia, $5.76. Nextera Energy, $12.60. McDonald's, $37.50. VGT, Vanguard Information Technology, that's $56.34. Vanguard Consumer Discretionary, $4.03. Vanguard Industrials, $5.90. Vanguard Healthcare, $4.01. VO is Vanguard S&P 500, $175.52. Microsoft, $36.72. 3M, $26.46. Johnson & Johnson, $53.20. Boeing, $34.94. Visa, $17.10. Constellation Brands, $2.25. Costco, $8.45. Apple, $41.58. AT&T, $52. Spider S&P 500 ETF, $12.56. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, $8.23. PepsiCo, $19.10. And that's all for Q1 of 2020. That's a total of $749.05. That's $749.05. I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and buying more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend-paying stocks and growth stocks. And that's all for this video. What stocks are you buying? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using Personal Capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.